Welcome to Cityview. This is elevated living just a block off the Commons. We're here today to see 3V. This is a studio apartment located on the 3rd floor of the building. Let's go on inside. On your right will be your galley style kitchen with a microwave, a dishwasher, an electric oven and range, and a refrigerator. On into your living space, you'll have 5 pieces of furniture: a desk and a desk chair, a bookshelf, a full-size bed, and a dresser. One unique feature of this building is the nice high ceilings, and this tall bank of windows lets in lots of light in this south-facing apartment. Every unit is air conditioned and has a heating element, and plenty of closet space. Another unique feature of this building is our intercom system, so you can buzz your friends in. Finishing in the bathroom is nice and large and has a recently upgraded shower and tub, along with a vanity and medicine cabinet. Rent here in Cityview includes heat, hot water, trash, and recycling. You're responsible for electricity. High-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour today of Cityview 3V. Call us today for availability.